Have you ever dreamt of belting out your favorite tunes with confidence? Well, guess what? Singing is a skill anyone can learn, no matter your experience level. In this video, we're going to explore Singorama, an online singing program designed for beginners to learn how to sing. Singorama is an online learning platform with video lessons created by professional vocal coaches. They offer a structured curriculum that takes you step by step through the fundamentals of singing. With Singorama, you'll learn vocal techniques, warm-up routines, singing exercises, singing different genres, and singing with confidence. Here are some features that make Singorama beginner-friendly. Step-by-step approach. The curriculum is structured, taking you from the ground up. Multiple learning styles. Lessons with video demos, audio explanations, and downloadable materials. Practice tools. Singorama provides tools like a vocal warm-up app and karaoke tracks to practice with. Supportive community. Connect with other Singorama users for encouragement and feedback. So, what do you think? Is Singorama something you might be interested in? Find out more in the link at the comments or description below.